What keeps America's trucks rolling strong? It's not just parts, it's a legacy. For distributors, OEMs, and fleet owners, unreliable parts mean downtime, delays, and lost profits. You need tough, tested gear made right here at home. At the Wallace Forge Company, we craft American-made parts, like our kingpins, forged from U.S. steel in Canton, Ohio. We're the answer to unreliable parts that kill uptime and profits, pouring decades of expertise into gear that keeps your business moving strong. It starts with design and 3D prototyping, turning concepts into solutions fast, using operator feedback to shape stronger kingpins, pintle hooks, and toe rings. We run independent third-party test pulls to ensure parts meet our high safety margins and SAE standards, while castings undergo X-rays to detect internal defects. OEMs get parts that fit their builds perfectly, tested and ready. Next, precision saw cutting carves U.S. steel to billet length. Clean, reliable forgings our customers count on. Our forging process transforms U.S. steel with raw strength and precision. 3 massive hammers pound away, while a heavy press shapes every billet. We forge over 1,000 kingpins daily, plus pintle hooks, toe rings, and trailer hardware, parts built to last, crafted in Canton to keep America's trucks rolling strong. CNC mills and lathes machine forgings to exact specs, precision that fits OEM assemblies, no adjustments needed. Shot blasting strips rust and scale, prepping parts for coating or inspection. Brinell hardness and magnetic particle inspection ensure durability, meeting SAE specs and spotting tiny flaws with cutting-edge testing. Unlike shaky imports, we don't cut corners. Final inspection proves it. A calibrated CMM ensures every piece meets precise dimensions with unwavering consistency. Powder-coated for durability, our parts defy rust and wear. A tough finish, baked hard, locks in protection against rain, mud, and miles. OEMs get components that endure. Fleets get finishes that outlast any run. From Canton, Ohio to every road, Wallace Forge has forged 83 years of American steel. Grit, precision, and rock-solid craftsmanship. No compromises, no shortcuts. Built to last, because every mile and part matters.